Hey guys, it's Matt. A friend of the channel, Glenn, sent this to me. So thanks, but not really when you see what it is. You can't unsee this. It's pretty much the strangest story you've ever seen in your entire life. Now, I know it's from 2014. 2014 Los Angeles Times article. Ellen DeGeneres Salami? One company's quest to make meat from celebrity tissue samples. Okay. 2014? I've never heard of this. Have you heard of this? Glenn, how'd you come across this so many years since this came out? But it almost seems like a joke. A startup called Bite Labs wants to use celebrity tissue samples to make salami. I'm looking at the URL. It is latimes.com, food section. Article by Jen Harris, 2014. It may sound like the makings of bad science fiction, a company that harvests human tissue to make meat products such as salami. A new startup called Bite Labs is claiming to want to make human test tube meat a reality, and they want to use celebrities to do it. So, is this an April 1st article? No, March 5th, 2014. Okay, this is an LA Times article. I thought, okay, well, obviously, whatever this was, they went out of business 3 weeks later. If this was real, ever real, it doesn't exist and it's gone away. So I started, well, what does YouTube have? Well, YouTube has a Bite Labs channel. Let's take a quick look. How do you connect with celebrities? We bring you celebrity meat. Bite Labs. What? Okay, there's 24,000 views, 131 thumbs up, 210 thumbs down. So, well, okay, they have a website. Bite Labs. Eat celebrity meat. Bite Labs grows meat from celebrity tissue samples and uses it to make artisanal salami. ARTIS, artisan is like an artist, but they put anal in there. ARTISANAL. The word anal is in there. Artisanal salami. I mean, there's no way this is real, right? You've never experienced celebrities like this. I went, well, okay, well, get help get celebrities on board. Oh, okay. I'll be calling all my favorite celebrities in my phone book today. James Franco, let's make him salami. Jennifer Lawrence, a different type of Hunger Games. Kanye West, Ellen DeGeneres. Okay, what? Process. We start with top quality ingredients and time-honored recipes for the creation of fine-cured meats. We mix celebrity and animal meats grown in-house through a proprietary culturing process. Guys, look, is it a joke like The Onion? No. Is it real? I mean, I don't think so. What we call the system is trying to accomplish here. Again, it was 2014 article, but this website exists right now. Hashtag eat celebrity meat. I don't know what to make of this. Honestly, I really don't know what to make of this. I'm kind of at a loss for words. I will think about it, and I'll look at your comments. A few other things. The LA Times does not present this as a joke. It wasn't written April 1st, 2014. So Jen Harris is a senior food writer for the food section. She went to USC. The URL is latimes.com/food. So they're not presenting it as a joke. I mean, nothing's going forward with this Bite Labs. They don't have all sorts of meats in the Whole Foods of Los Angeles and San Francisco. So it seems like a joke. But guys, just one thing to point out. Let's whatever this Bite Labs is. If you go to their website, which I don't know, you can look at it. I don't know what it is at this point, but they have the celebrity faces. You can't just use celebrity names and images without the celebrity's permission, even if it was a hoax. Or you can't just go have a website sitting out there for years with Ellen DeGeneres' face and her name saying, here's what Ellen Salami's going to look like. Her people, her lawyer would be all over you to remove the image, and there would be probably taking legal action within a few weeks. And they have bots where they know exactly where the image pops up. So this certainly isn't, you can't just load celebrity images, and it's not, in other words, somehow the celebrity's on board. This is something coming out of what we call the system. If I just thought it was cute and I created a fake company and we're going to do this and I'm going to try to pass this off or make a joke, I start putting Kanye West's picture, Jennifer Lawrence's picture, they'd be, in a few weeks, their bots would know, their lawyers would be all over me. So this has been out there for years. The celebrities are fully on board, even though their meats aren't yet being produced, which is good, I guess. But this is something, again, it's not some cute thing that two UCLA students did. This is coming from the system itself, proven by the fact that you just would not have these celebrity names and faces on this website for years. Trust me, there's bots that run all over websites looking for images, and they've been doing that since 2010. The bots are highly sophisticated, and when they find an incorrect use of an image, you get a really nasty, intimidating letter from a legal firm. And then they want thousands of dollars also. See ya.